Hi everyone, welcome back to Travel and Transform. Today we're talking about the Fast Track Immigration Trusted Traveller Program, also called FTI-TTP, launched by the Government of India. This program lets Indian passport holders and OCI card holders use e-gates at international airports in India for quick and hassle-free immigration. And the best part? It's free. In this video, I'll give you a step-by-step guide on how to apply, what documents you need, and how to complete the biometric process. Let's get started. FTI-TTP is India's Trusted Traveller Program. Once registered and approved, you can skip long immigration queues and use automated e-gates instead. It's open to Indian citizens and OCI card holders who meet the eligibility requirements. If you have an ECR category passport, you may not be eligible. Individuals who have not passed their 10th grade are generally classified as ECR. The ECR status ensures that vulnerable workers are protected from exploitation by regulating their travel for employment and raising awareness of their rights. An ECR passport will have an immigration check required stamp on the observation page. If there is no such mention, the passport is considered non-ECR. Before filling out the application form, you need to scan and save some documents on your computer. You'll need to upload your recent passport size picture with a white background, current passport front and back page scans, proof of address such as a utility bill, driving license, etc. in both India and your current country of residence. OCI card copy if applicable. Go to FTI-TTP.mha.gov.in. This is the government's official portal. These are the general information and instructions to file the form that you should read. Click on Login Sign Up. Enter your email ID and OTP that you should receive in your email to verify. Upon successful verification of your email, create a password. And then log in. Enter your mobile number with ISD code. You'll receive OTP to verify. This is the dashboard. Click on Apply Online. Select whether you are an Indian citizen or an OCI holder. In this video, we will show the form for OCI holders. Make sure that the passport linked to the OCI is valid. Provide your personal details, as mentioned in your current passport, followed by the residential address of the non-Indian country where you are a citizen. Also, provide your reference in India, who you would be visiting or staying with. Provide your educational qualification, occupation details, and other immigration-related details. Accept all the terms. Click Save and Continue. Now, verify all the information. Click on Modify if you need to make changes. Otherwise, click Submit. Next, you need to upload all the required documents. The first document is your passport size picture in JPG format. Use the scroll bar to adjust the picture and then crop and save. Next, upload the passport front and then the back page in PDF format. Similarly, upload OCI card front and last page in PDF format. And finally, provide your proof or reference address in India. Once uploaded all the documents, click Save and Continue. In the next screen, you can register for the biometrics, fingerprints, and facial photo using the QR code. You can either get the biometrics done in the designated international airport in India or any of the 12 FRRO offices in India. Authorities will verify your details. Therefore, make sure all information provided is correct and up to date. Any incorrect information will result in rejection. You'll get updates via email and mobile. After biometric verification, your FTI-TTP status will be activated. At the airport, simply scan your boarding pass, passport, complete biometric authentication, and the gate opens automatically. You're through. And that's it. That's how you apply for FTI-TTP. and start using e-gates in India. This program is going to save travelers a lot of time, especially during peak hours. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share this video with friends or family who travel often to India. And if you have questions, drop them in the comments. I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.